Cogbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Muskan Verma and today I'm here to give an overview on recognition process of Producers Responsibility Organization. But before proceeding with the authorization process, we need to understand the concept of Producers Responsibility Organization or PR. The introduction of extended producer responsibility has put an additional accountability on the producers to maintain the sustainability of environment. But due to increasing pressure in the market on producers to improve the quality and quantity of the product, it has become a tough job for producers to fulfill these responsibilities. This has led to the emergence of new innovative organizations called PR. These are delegated with the responsibilities to fulfill EPR by producers in response to financial exchange as mandated under e-waste management rules. Let's understand the definition of PRO as per e-waste management rule. PRO is defined as the professional organization authorized or financed collectively or individually by producers which can take responsibility for the collection and channelization of e-waste which is generated from end of life of their products to ensure environmentally sound management of such e-waste. From given definition, it is understood that PRO are enterprises that are hired by producers or manufacturers to fulfill their legal responsibilities under the rules related to EPR in response to monetary benefits. These rules, along with defining the authorization process of PRO, also prescribes the roles that are undertaken by them while fulfilling their EPR. Some of these rules are: first, one being defining or designing the producer's responsibility action plan as per the stipulated law. Second, registering the designed extended producer's responsibility action plan with concerned authorities. Third, being assisting the producers in achieving the set target for EPR. And if required or necessary, implementing the take back or buyback policies. Further, it also have a responsibility to formulate and establish waste collection mechanisms like door-to-door collection or establishing a collection units at different places. Lastly, putting proper transportation system and spreading awareness among people regarding EPR and environmentally sustainable way of living. Further, there are few requirements that are need to be fulfilled by PRO before registering. Some of these requirements are that PRO before registering have to make sure that the enterprise they are registering as must have minimum of 5 years of experience in waste management with published success stories for proper disposal and management of waste. They also require to have TAN and GST and PAN numbers, as well as they should have a capable enough to channelize the waste in order to meet minimum requirements and targets that are set by the authorities. Lastly, the enterprise should also have a sound infrastructure as well as to have a capable capacities to handle the waste as well as store them. They are bound to clarify the capacity of the dismantlers or the recyclers they are in agreement with. Lastly, they should also give the details on the mechanisms that they are using for the collection of the said waste. Let's just see what is the authorization process of Producers Responsibility Organization. First, we need to list down the documents that are required for the authorization. The first one being there should be proper records on the details of dismantlers, recyclers and channel partners that the PRO are in agreement with. This have to be provided to the CPCB or SPCB for the application. Second is the capacity for the collection, storage and transportation of the waste also need to be defined properly by PRO. Then they also need PAN and GST number. Along with that, they also need the layout structure and the site plan that needs to be submitted to CPCB. There is also a need to define which district or state they are covering. And at last, they should also give the details on the collection mechanism, website and the toll numbers that they are using. Producer responsibility organizations register, they are simply divided into four parts. One being they have to file an application with the appropriate authority. Second being the filed application that are submitted with the documents need to be examined and scrutinized by the said authority. After the scrutinization of application, one of the officials or inspector from the authority conduct an inspection of the site to check whether this organization have proper capacity or proper capabilities to handle the waste. And at last, according to this inspection, a report is made upon which the Central Pollution Control Board or the State Pollution Control Board grants the recognition or registration of PRO. So that concludes our video on the recognition of PRO. For more details about the registration process, the renewal process or additional licenses on recognition of Producers Responsibility Organization, you can check our blog that was published in Corbis website. And further, for more such details and queries, you may contact Corbis from details provided below. At Corbis, we have excellent team of experts who can assist you regarding various environmental services. You can comment down below on the queries you may have. And for more such videos, subscribe to our channel and thank you.